Rohan, Ria, why do you both look so stressed?
Tomorrow we have our exam, Granny.
Yes, Granny. There is a lot of stress before an exam.
Stress doesn't come to us, we take it. Kids, always remember, these are only school exams, not the question of your life. The more relaxed you are while you're studying, the better you will remember. Come on, now let me tell you a story. Once, Humpy was in a similar situation.
Humpy, it is 12 in the night. Please go to sleep.
I have my exam tomorrow, Mummy.
That's why I am asking you to go to bed. Or else you won't be able to concentrate in your exam. Humpy, do you know why your exam did not go well? Because you were stressed about your exam yesterday. You have not been eating well and you have not been sleeping well either.
What do I do? Whenever I have exams, I really get overstressed, Mummy.
Son, remember one thing. These are just exams. They are just a part of our life, but not our whole life. The more you relax during an exam, the better you will perform. The more you get stressed, it will be more difficult for you to remember your answers. Eat these fruits and go to bed. If you have a good night's sleep, you can concentrate more tomorrow. And you will do very well in your exams.
Tension, it's time to say bye. Fill your hearts with all the joy. Tension, it's time to say bye. Fill your hearts with all the joy. Life will become more easy. Stop worrying and you will see. No problem is big or small. Always be calm and walk along. There will be trouble on our way, but we will face it anyway. Tension, it's time to say bye. Let us say bye. Fill your hearts with all the joy. With all the joy. Tension, it's time to say bye. Let us say bye. Fill your hearts with all the joy. With all the joy. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh.
Did you understand, kids? Stress during exams never helps. Rather, it makes your exams more difficult. Exams will come and go, but we only have one life. Always remember, children, we must live lives stress-free and stay calm.
Ria, I'm going out for a walk for some time. Are you coming with me?
Yes, sure. I will join you.
Rohan, why have you left the food? Please finish it.
Enough, Granny. I'm done eating.
Rohan, if you cannot finish your food, you must not take so much food on your plate in the first place. Rohan, do you know? This food that you are wasting today can help a starving person fill their stomach. Come on. Children, I will tell you a story. Everyone was celebrating AJ's birthday in Woodworld Jungle.
Let's sing and dance, having fun at this big party, 'cause it's your chance. You stay happy every day, that is all we pray. And sing happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. We're all very happy, let's sing and dance, having fun at this big party, 'cause it's your chance.
Come on, kids, gather all this food fast.
Yes, let's go! We have to go to one more party.
One more party! Wow, this is going to be so much fun!
Mummy?
Yes?
There is no one here.
I think the party got over.
No, children. Now the party will get started. Did you see, children? The food that we waste every time, knowingly or unknowingly, can be used to feed others.
Which is why we should serve ourselves only that amount of food that we can eat.
Yes, we promise to take only that quantity of food in our plate that we will not waste.
Every grain of food is very precious, kids. We should never waste any food at all. The food we waste can be used to feed hungry and needy people.
Yes!